working with Khushbu through the LLC method was completely a game changer for me and my business. Best thing I liked was like I get solutions to my queries like anytime. Yeah, that was the best thing. Sometimes like yesterday I was so confused when I messaged you at 9 a.m. in the morning. I was like, oh, it's Sunday and I message in the morning, but that was the best thing that you replied all that time also. So that you're always helpful, like anytime whenever I book a call, like when you are with me, that you are with me, and you are always completely solving each and every query. That was the best thing, that I completely rely on you and your team for every and on for every query I have in my mind, that you will be solving this for me. That was the best thing.
Yeah.
Through the sales script, it is an amazing, it's the best, an amazing part of the method. It's
Okay. What do you
completely,
feel about the sales script? As in, can you tell 2 words about that?
yeah, but it means it's like a complete, like I guess you have put all your experience in one, all your hard work and all your experience of so many years in one script. That is a complete, like if we go through it, like we are just like a
Game changer.
doctorate kind of thing in sales.
Okay, so it
Right.
it built it was like when you talk with that sales script, it was very easy for you to convert them,
Yeah, it is very easy, it is very easy.
right?
And
Even if it is
that
high ticket
handling the
client.
objection part is amazing. The handling the objections part is amazing. Like before that I was so like I was so like, they will say this and they will not reply and the things will end. Like now I know how to handle the objections.
So there
Yeah.
is a lot of myths. There are a lot of digital gurus talking about this thing. Ki go on YouTube, go on this.
Yeah.
So there are a lot of fellow dentists in the system as well. Okay,
Mm.
and there are aspiring dentists. So would you like to give them a piece of advice that about the system, or about what do you think are the myths around digital marketing?
The myths around digital marketing are like, you don't have to do everything.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and you just have to prove your authority, and you can't, you know please everybody.
Right.
Of course, I've been referring this already to so many of my friends, or like those who ask me like, what's the reason of this drastic change in you? Then I always say this is just because of LLC and Khushbu. I have been telling
Okay.
to so many of my friends and family.
Okay. Okay. And is there anything else you would like others to know about me and the LLC method?
Yeah, I would like people to know how dedicated you guys are with your work, and how dedicated you are with your clients, and the everything in LLC method, and how this can be so beneficial to such an extent for everyone, for every business, not just dental marketing, to every business, those who want to scale through internet.
Okay, thank you so much, Saloni.
Obviously, I would like to say that, like, if you are completely confused, if you are a newbie, or if you are confused about your uh, how to scale your business, if you are confused how to get clients, and if you are confused about if you have the skills and but still you're not getting clients on your clinic, or on your social media, or on your website, wherever, then Khushbu and LLC are the best you can seek for great results in a quick span of time. Those who
It's
can give you great results and proven results, not just hit and tries, proven results for your business.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm really glad that we were of help to you.